right, so this right here is the head of the line from the outside. And now, if you guys can tolerate my shaky video, I'm gonna walk around the whole perimeter from the very front to the last person. And it is in excess of about 2,000 to 3,000 people. So yeah, not everybody's gonna be going home with a watch today, but just showing you guys what it looks like. Wow, when I saw how long that line was for the Omega Time Swatch Mission to Moonshine Gold, I was having PTSD from last year. Quick wristwatch check, mission to Mars on the NATO strap. Hello everybody and welcome to Gentleman Masterclass. I'm your host, Mr. Marc.antomattei. I was at the first worldwide release for this watch today, and when I saw the line, I knew that I couldn't buy one, but instead I just stood at the front to see the first person to have purchased the watch, and I got the chance to interview them. Check this out. I'm very interested to know, how long have you been waiting here?
12 and a half hours. I got here just before 6.
Oh, lucky you.
Yeah.
Just before 6 in the, right.
5:58.
Right. Wow. Well, you should see the line behind you. I would
Is it
say
crazy?
It's probably in excess of about 3,000 people.
No.
And it goes around the block, yeah.
No, okay.
Right. So, are you surprised with, you didn't even know what it was that you're purchasing. I mean, you knew
I had no
obviously
idea.
that it's a new model of MoonSwatch, but you didn't know what it was going to look like.
I can't believe it's pink. It's amazing. Just joking, it's not pink. It's beautiful. Yeah, it's different than I was hoping, and it's even better than I expected. It's awesome.
Right. Do you mind opening it up and showing it off to us really quick?
Is that okay?
It's okay, yeah.
I feel kind of nervous to do that.
No, you're safe here, man.
This is just for Austin, then.
All right, it's just for Austin.
I don't know who he is.
So the box, yeah, I'll connect you with it later.
All right.
With him.
I know I'm gonna drop this thing.
All right,
now,
it's a gold box. No, it just folds open. Yeah, in the middle, like origami. Mission to the moon.
Boom, boom, boom. How about
All right.
that?
What did you do about food throughout the day?
Well, I had a partner in line, and we were just exchanging times. Well, we'd go to the bathroom or pick up snacks for
Right.
each other. He gave me a hot pack because it was getting quite cold.
Yes.
I had a table and a camp chair, and I was working, pumping out some emails.
Nice,
So,
nice.
yeah, I was doing my thing.
Good on you, man.
Yeah.
All right.
What do you think? It's beautiful.
It's beautiful. It looks
Yeah,
like the
thank
Mission
you
to
so
the moon, but with a little bit more gold inside of it.
Gorgeous, yeah.
Right.
Yeah,
And the
it's
price
awesome.
on this was the same price as the usual MoonSwatch. Yeah, you didn't pay anything extra, like
I don't really
Sanman,
know.
Sanzen yen.
I think it was some on Kyusen yen.
Okay.
So 39,000.
39,000. All right, so
Special.
a little bit up in price, but okay.
Yeah.
All
look
right,
at this thing.
congratulations on being the first person, man. A 12-hour wait.
How about that?
You did it.
Yeah.
That's a nice watch.
It's dope. It's really cool.
I'll give
Look
you
at
that.
thing. Yeah, I'm stoked.
And aside from having the opportunity to meet Matthew, the first person in the world to buy this watch right here in Tokyo, Japan, I also got to meet from Hodinkee, Japan, Mr. Masaharu Wada, and I even got to meet the head of PR and events for Omega right here in Japan. So that was very cool. Now, when I spoke to Matthew, I found out that he just found out about this watch only yesterday from Hodinkee, from their Instagram. What do I think of the watch? It's beautiful. It looks just exactly like the Mission to the Moon, with the exception that the chronograph hand is made out of 18 karat gold, moonshine gold. I would probably say that the Mission to the Moon was probably the most desirable watch out of the bunch, and now that they added this little bit of extra flair to it with the gold, that's only going to make it that much more desirable, and I think they're going to sell tons of these things. Do I want one? Yes. Was I willing to wait in that line? No. I'll get it at some point in the future, but trust me, at some point in time, I will get it. All right, everybody, I thank you for watching. Salute to you wherever you may be out inside the world. And as always, gentlemen, you guys know what to do. Keep it classy. I'm out.